The Filipino word salamat literally translates to thank you in English, and this is the direct and most frequent translation. It expresses gratitude for something received, whether it's a gift, a favor, or simply kindness. While salamat is the standard term, there are some variations and related phrases you might encounter. Here are some of those things that you'll have to remember. Sometimes you might hear people say, maraming salamat. This means thank you very much. And it's used when you want to express a greater degree of gratitude because marami means many. So maraming salamat means many thanks or thank you very much. Salamat po. So po here is a polite marker. So adding po is used for respect to elders or those in authority. So salamat po. And then another one is salamat sa iyo. That means thank you to you. And then salamat sa inyo. That means thank you to all of you. Inyo is plural and iyo is singular. So salamat sa iyo. This translates to thank you to you, singular, iyo, and inyo is plural. So it's a more specific way of directing your thanks to someone. So maraming salamat, salamat po, and salamat sa iyo or salamat sa inyo. Let us have the following example sentences. Salamat po sa tulong ninyo. So thank you for your help. Respectful plural you. So sometimes though ninyo is plural, you can use it to say to maybe just one person. Salamat po sa tulong ninyo. So it can be used to singular or plural, but using ninyo for a single person makes it more polite. Maraming salamat sa regalo mo. Thank you very much for your gift. So a regalo is a gift. So maraming salamat sa regalo mo. Salamat sa pagdalaw mo. Thank you for your visit. Dalaw means visit. So maraming salamat sa pagdalaw mo or salamat sa pagdalaw mo. Salamat po sa pagkain. That means thank you for the food. You can drop the po depending on how you would want to sound. So salamat sa pagkain or salamat po sa pagkain. Or you can add a little adjective here. You can say masarap na pagkain. Maraming salamat po sa masarap na pagkain or salamat po sa masarap na pagkain. Masarap is delicious. Salamat sa lahat. That means thank you for everything. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. It's a little more polite. So, salamat sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Next one, salamat sa iyong pag-intindi. That means thank you for your understanding. Salamat sa iyong pag-intindi or salamat sa iyong pag-intindi. Intindi means to understand. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kabaitan. Thank you very much for your kindness. Mabait is like kind. So maraming salamat po sa inyong kabaitan. Salamat sa oras mo. That means thank you for your time. Oras is time. Salamat sa oras mo. Salamat sa oras ninyo is plural. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo. Thank you for your love. Salamat sa pagmamahal ninyo is plural ninyo. So, salamat sa pagmamahal mo. Salamat po sa Diyos. Thank you to God. Salamat po sa Diyos. So, Diyos is God. Salamat po sa Diyos. Salamat sa mga kaibigan ko. Thank you to my friends. A kaibigan is a friend. Mga is a plural marker. So, salamat sa mga kaibigan ko. Thank you to my friends. Nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo. I'm thanking you. Nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo. Salamat at nandito ka. Thank you for being here. Salamat at nandito ka. Dito is here. Ka is you. Thank you for being here. Salamat at nandito ka. Salamat sa inspirasyon mo. That means thank you for your inspiration. Inspirasyon, inspiration. Salamat sa inspirasyon mo. Salamat, nakatulong ka ng malaki. Thank you, you helped a lot. So, nakatulong, tulong is help, malaki is big. So, thank you for your big help. Or, salamat sa tulong mo. Thank you for your help. Salamat sa tulong mo. Salamat, nakatulong ka ng malaki. Another one, salamat sa pag-alaga sa akin. Alaga is like take care. So thank you for taking care of me. Salamat sa pag-alaga sa akin. Salamat sa pagtitiwala mo sa akin. Tiwala is trust. Mo is you, akin is me. So thank you for trusting me. Salamat sa pagtitiwala mo sa akin. Salamat sa lahat ng inyong tulong. Thank you for all your help. Inyo is plural but you can use it to one person as well. So, salamat sa lahat ng inyong tulong or salamat sa lahat ng tulong. Thank you for all your help. Salamat, napasaya mo ako. So, thank you, you made me happy. Saya is happy. Mo is you, ako is me. So, thank you, you made me happy. Salamat, napasaya mo ako. Salamat sa pag-aaruga mo sa akin. Thank you for your care or for taking care of me. Pag-aaruga. So, salamat sa pag-aaruga mo sa akin.